This is how to fix the easy anti-cheat if it's not installed into Fortnite. So we're going to open up the Epic Games Launcher right here. We're going to go over Library and locate Fortnite. Click the three dots. Manage. Installation. Go to the folder. We're going to minimize that and completely close out of the Epic Games Launcher. Go to your taskbar and right click it. Go to Task Manager. Scroll down until you see Epic Games Launcher. Right click it and end task. We're going to reopen that folder that we minimized. Go to Fortnite Game, Binaries, Win64. Go to the folder that just says Easy Anti-Cheat. Where it says Easy Anti-Cheat Setup with the blue bear icon, we're going to right click it. Create shortcut. Go to that shortcut that we created and right click it. Go to Properties. The highlighted text right here, we're going to go all the way to the end. Make a space and enter repair. The word repair. Then you can click apply and OK. We're going to right click this and open it. Once that's finished, we can exit this out, relaunch Epic Games, and go to Fortnite to launch it, and it should work. That is how to fix your anti-cheat if it's not installed.